Hello, and welcome to the third video in our series about the Alamo Way. In the introductory video, we noted that the Alamo Way represents a single strategic plan, one created by our college employees, faculty, and presidents, and one that focuses on three strategic objectives to empower success for our diverse communities. First, student success. It necessitates an educational pathway for all of our students. Second, leadership. The soft or essential skills to help students be more successful students, employees, and citizens, and to help all of us lead the Alamo Colleges to achieve our vision of being the best community college in the nation, and help San Antonio achieve its aspiration to become one of the best cities in the 21st century. And the third objective is performance excellence, to ensure that our operations are efficient and effective in order to reduce financial pressures on tuition and tax increases and provide the best services to our students. In the last video, we talked about how you can promote student success. In 2 words, always inspire. Today, let's consider the next topic, principal-centered leadership. Specifically, how you can help build your students into leaders and, at the same time, sharpen your own leadership skills. Our call to action here is always inspire, always improve. After all, your inspiration and desire to improve evokes your leadership qualities within the Alamo Way. To help you focus these skills, we've adopted a program into the Alamo College's educational philosophy, Franklin Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. And I'll let the people who already know and use this program explain its importance.
Our talent resides in our employees, so to make the Alamo Colleges the best possible place for students to learn and for us to work, we have to get all employees to develop and engage their skills for principal-centered leadership. The 7 Habits framework lets our employees be proactive and creative in what they contribute to our vision and our system.
Of course, we have a challenge. We want 6,000 employees to learn, practice, and incorporate the 7 habits. That's why we have a saying, there's a leader in every seat. In other words, you're responsible for leading and developing our students. And when you see the connection between personal and professional effectiveness, you'll realize that the best way to help each student succeed is by being an influential leader yourself.
Whether we're faculty or staff, all of us contribute to student success. We serve as role models, mentors, and change agents for our students. And that's why the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is so much more than a workshop. It's a set of tools that helps us to understand how to be more interdependent, how to work with others, and how to keep improving. So we use these tools, see how effective they are, then we pass them along to our students. And this prepares them to be competent world-class citizens and leaders, and to make major contributions in their communities. And that, of course, is our ultimate goal.
Right now, our students are striving to be tomorrow's leaders, proactive, productive, engaging, transformational. As a faculty member, I've already started integrating Franklin Covey's 7 Habits into the curriculum, and I've seen major change in our students. They study their own paradigms and habits. They reflect on ways to improve as individuals, of course, but also for their families, their working environments, their communities.
The advantages we already see from adopting the 7 Habits model are encouraging, but we aren't the only ones benefiting.
The commitment to creating a leadership system has been outstanding here. As a result, our partnership with the Alamo Colleges is helping us at Franklin Covey create a global leadership model for higher education. The integration of the leadership content into the classroom and the overall student experience is beginning to create a positive transformation, not just in the organization of your colleges, but among your students and communities as well.
While many of you already know this, I want to make sure that everyone working at the Alamo Colleges is aware of the programs we've instituted to encourage principal-centered leadership. These include Alamo Leads, which is based directly on the Covey model, and Alamo Learns, which will incorporate leadership skills as part of learning, performance, and career planning for our faculty and staff. So please get acquainted with the 7 Habits model if you aren't already, and put those principles into practice in your own life. Meanwhile, thanks for watching. I'll be back in a few weeks with the final installment of the Alamo Way.